क्या आपको भी अंग्रेजी समझने में या बोलने में परेशानी होती है? तो ये वीडियो आपके लिए है। आज हम सीखेंगे 50 ऐसे डेली इंग्लिश सेंटेंसेस जिन्हें हर बिगिनर को जरूर आना चाहिए। इन वाक्यों को ध्यान से सुनिए, मेरे साथ दोहराइए और आज से अपनी इंग्लिश बोलना शुरू कीजिए।
I wash my face every morning. I wash my face every morning. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. I comb my hair. I comb my hair. I take a shower. I take a shower. I get dressed. I get dressed. I make my bed. I make my bed. I open the window. I open the window. I drink a glass of water. I drink a glass of water. I make a cup of tea. I make a cup of tea. I eat my breakfast. I eat my breakfast. I pack my bag. I pack my bag. I check my phone. I check my phone. I lock the door. I lock the door. I walk to the bus stop. I walk to the bus stop. I wait for the bus. I wait for the bus. I get on the bus. I get on the bus. I go to work. I go to work. I say hello to my friend. I say hello to my friend. I sit at my desk. I sit at my desk. I start my work. I start my work. I drink some coffee. I drink some coffee. I read an email. I read an email. I write some notes. I write some notes. I ask a question. I ask a question. I eat my lunch. I eat my lunch. I drink some juice. I drink some juice. I go to the supermarket. I go to the supermarket. I buy some fruit. I buy some fruit. I pay at the counter. I pay at the counter. I carry my shopping bag. I carry my shopping bag. I go back home. I go back home. I cook dinner. I cook dinner. I cut some vegetables. I cut some vegetables. I wash the dishes. I wash the dishes. I watch TV. I watch TV. I read a book. I read a book. I listen to music. I listen to music. I talk to my family. I talk to my family. I water the plants. I water the plants. I clean my room. I clean my room.
I feed my cat. I feed my cat. I check tomorrow's plan. I check tomorrow's plan. I set my alarm. I set my alarm. I change my clothes. I change my clothes. I brush my teeth again. I brush my teeth again. I turn off the light. I turn off the light. I go to bed. I go to bed. Good night.
Good night. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. Have a nice day. Have a nice day.